Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Jessica, your teacher today.
And I'm Jack. I'm learning English with you.
Yes, you are, Jack, and you're doing great.
Thank you, Jessica.
Today, we have something special, something fun, something funny. We will learn English through funny stories and funny conversations.
Funny English? That sounds great.
Yes, funny stories help you remember words easily. When you laugh, you learn better.
I like that idea already.
Let's start with a warm-up. We will learn some funny and simple English words. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Great! Listen to these funny words. Oops. Yikes! Wow! Uh-oh. These words are very common in everyday American English, and they sound funny.
They really do.
Let's practice one by one. Say, oops.
Oops.
Good. Oops means you made a small mistake, like you drop your pen. Oops. Now you try, listeners. Say, oops. Now say, yikes. Good. Yikes means you're shocked or scared a little bit, like seeing a big spider. Now you try, listeners. Yikes. And one more. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Yes. Uh-oh means something might be wrong, like when your phone battery is 1%.
Uh-oh.
Perfect. These funny words make English sound natural and friendly. Now let's begin our first funny story. This story will help you learn everyday English.
I love stories.
Great! This story is called The Orange Juice Mistake.
Oh no, this already sounds funny.
Let's begin. One morning, I was very sleepy. I woke up late. I ran to my kitchen. I wanted orange juice. But guess what happened? I opened the fridge. I grabbed a bottle. I poured the juice into my cup. I took a big sip. And then I said, "Oh no, this is not orange juice. It was salad dressing."
Really?
Yes, it was salad dressing.
Ew.
Exactly. Ew.
So what did you say?
I said yikes.
Good word for that moment.
Let's practice some important words from the story. Fridge, bottle, sip, salad dressing. Repeat after me. Fridge.
Fridge.
Now you try, listeners. Fridge, bottle.
Bottle.
Now you try, listeners. Bottle, sip.
Sip.
Listeners, say sip. Great job. Let's use them in small sentences. I opened the fridge.
I open the fridge. Listeners, repeat.
I take a sip.
I take a sip. Listeners, repeat.
Excellent. Now let's move to a funny conversation. Imagine Jack and I are in a cafe. We want to order something, but something funny happens.
Something funny always happens with us.
Yes, so let's start. Hi, Jack. What do you want to drink today?
I want a coffee. Just a small coffee.
A small coffee?
Yes, a simple, small, normal coffee.
Okay. To the barista. Hi, one small coffee, please.
Sure, one small coffee.
Here you go, Jack.
Jessica, this is not small. This is huge.
Oh, You're right. This is a giant cup.
It's bigger than my head.
Wow, that is big.
I said small. Small, small, small.
I know. I think the barista misheard.
So what do I say?
You say, "Excuse me?"
Excuse me?
Good. Now ask politely. "Sorry, I ordered a small coffee."
Sorry, I ordered a small coffee.
Perfect. Now, listeners, repeat after us. Excuse me? Sorry, I ordered a small coffee. Very good. Funny things happen when you order coffee. Now let's move to our second funny story. This one is silly and very fun.
I'm excited already.
Last week, I met a dog. A cute dog. A happy dog. A friendly dog. But guess what? This dog talked to me.
No way.
Yes way.
What did the dog say?
The dog sat next to me. It looked at me. And then it said, "Hey, nice shoes."
Nice shoes?
Yes. And I said, thank you?
That's a polite dog.
Very polite.
What happened next?
The dog said, "I like walks. Do you like walks?"
This dog likes conversation.
Yes, a very social dog.
What did you do?
I said, "Yikes! This is strange."
Yes, very strange.
Of course, this story is not real,
Oh, really?
but it helps you learn fun English words. Cute,
Cute. Cute.
friendly,
Friendly. Friendly.
strange,
Strange. Strange.
walk,
Walk. Walk. The dog is cute. The dog is cute. This is strange. This is strange. Real life is full of funny moments.
In America, many stores have automatic doors. They open when you walk close. But sometimes the door does not open. So you just stand there, waiting, staring, looking silly.
That happened to me once. I stood there like a statue.
Exactly. And the door just said nothing. Let's practice. I wait for the door. Repeat. I stand there. Another funny American moment. Someone waves. You wave back. You smile. But then you realize they were waving at someone behind you.
Oh no, that's embarrassing.
Yes, very. And you say, "Oops." Let's practice. Oops. You call someone. They say, "Hello?" You talk for 20 seconds. And then they say, "Who is this?" And then you say, "Uh-oh." Let's practice. Who is this? Now let's learn some funny American English idioms. Idioms are expressions that don't mean exactly what the words say. They sound funny, but people use them every day.
I like idioms. They are fun.
Break a leg does not mean break your leg. It means good luck. Americans say it before a performance.
So if my friend has an exam, I say, break a leg.
Exactly. Spill the beans means tell the secret.
Oh, like, Jack, spill the beans. What happened?
Yes, perfect. This does not mean cats and dogs fall from the sky. It means it's raining a lot. Heavy rain.
Very heavy rain.
Yes. Repeat after us. Break a leg. Now let's do a funny role play. Jack and I will act. Listen carefully. Hi, Jack. Do you need help?
Yes, please. I'm looking for rice.
Rice? Oh, I think I know where it is. Follow me.
Jessica, this is not rice. This is pet food. For cats. For dogs.
Oops, sorry. Wrong aisle.
Jessica, why are we in the pet aisle?
I don't know. Maybe I need coffee.
Yes, a giant cup again.
Maybe not giant.
Okay, where is the rice?
I see it. Let's go.
Finally.
Repeat. Aisle. Rice. Pet food. Aisle. Rice. Pet food. Great. Now let's talk about funny English mistakes learners make. These are very common. Don't worry.
I make a lot of mistakes.
We all do. Mistakes help you learn. Mistake 1. I am boring. Many learners say, I am boring. But this means you are boring. You should say, I am bored.
Oh, that changes the meaning.
Mistake 2. I am agree. Learners say, I am agree. But in English, we say, I agree. Mistake 3. I am hungry for sleep. Many learners try to say they are sleepy. They say, I am hungry for sleep. In English, we say, I am sleepy, or I am tired. Practice time. Repeat after me. I am bored.
I am bored.
I agree.
I agree.
I am sleepy.
I am sleepy.
Great job! Now we will do a small challenge. Jack will say some sentences. You must repeat them with funny expression. Are you ready, Jack?
Yes, let's do it. Oops, I dropped my phone. Yikes, that dog is huge. Uh-oh, I forgot my keys.
Great work, Jack. Listeners, you did great too. Here is one last funny mini story. One day, Jack went to the store. He bought bananas. A lot of bananas. Too many bananas. 20 bananas.
I like bananas.
Yes, but 20?
It was on sale.
Jack walked home, but suddenly, splat! He stepped on a banana peel. Not his banana peel. Someone else's.
Oh no. That's classic comedy.
Yes. And Jack said, uh-oh.
Of course. Repeat after me. I buy bananas. I step on a banana peel. Great!
Now it's time for a short review. Let's remember everything we learned today.
Yes, review time.
Funny expression words. Oops, yikes, wow, uh-oh. Story vocabulary. Fridge, bottle, sip, salad dressing, cute, friendly, strange, walk. Useful phrases. Excuse me. Sorry, I ordered a small coffee. Who is this? Funny idioms. break a leg. Spill the beans. It's raining cats and dogs. Common mistakes. I am bored, not I am boring. I agree, not I am agree. I am sleepy, not I am hungry for sleep. And that is our lesson for today.
This was so fun.
Yes, funny stories help you learn English naturally and easily.
Thank you, Jessica.
And thank you, listeners. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep learning English.
See you next time.
See you next time.